Imagine a Telegram bot creates an image on your request automatically. You can create a group so that if you have number of people added in the group, they will post the request to the group that they want a specific kind of an image and instantly the image is generated. Is this possible? Let me show you first. So over here, this is the group that I've created that generates AI images automatically. I will post my request in this group. So my request is create a mysterious wizard chasing a glowing spell in dark forest, magical particles, cinematic lighting and ultra detailed fantasy art. So this is the request I have for which the AI should generate me the image. I will send this request in front of you in this group. Now within few seconds you will see an AI bot is going to send me exactly what I wanted. You will see that the image is going to be generated and no one is sending it manually. And AI is handling everything. So I will wait over here for a few seconds for my image to arrive. And you can see within few seconds I have received the image successfully. It's the wizard chasing the glowing particles in the magical fantasy background. So you can see here is the image that you requested. I have received this image successfully that I can use further. So this is how this amazing AI Telegram bot is going to work that will automatically generate images on my request. So if you want to learn how you can create this bot, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, then remember to stay till the end of the video. So now let's dive into the creation of this setup. I create automations for years now using Pabbly Connect. I have created thousands of automations using this application. It's very easy to create. It's not important for you to be a tech person to understand Pabbly Connect. To understand Pabbly Connect, it's super easy. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of the setup using Pabbly Connect. So I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab and you will come to the landing page. If you're a new user, simply sign up for free from here. You will get 100 free tasks every month to check out what is Pabbly Connect all about. You can create the setup right away absolutely for free without paying any cost using the free credits. Okay, so now if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan to create such amazing automations for your business or for your personal work, you can purchase a yearly or lifetime plan and I have a gift for you. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen is added in the description section as well. That will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly or lifetime plan. Very good discounts. Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your workflows using Pabbly Connect. So I've already logged in and came to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a workflow, click on this create workflow button. I will select the option of create using AI. Now with the help of this builder, you just need to give the prompt of what you want and AI will generate you the exact workflow that you want. Okay, so what is my request? I will enter that message. So my request is when a new Telegram message comes, automatically Google AI Studio Gemini should generate the image according to the request and then that image is sent back to Telegram. So this is a simple prompt I have. I've written it in very simple words. I will share this prompt towards this AI. It will analyze my request and I have to select certain events that will create the entire workflow. In Telegram bot, whenever I will receive the message, automatically Gemini is going to generate the image for me and then I will send that image back to Telegram using send a photo. So this is the exact thing that I want. I will approve and then simply open this workflow from here. Inside Pabbly Connect, then you will see the workflow that you requested is automatically created. Now simply we need to create the connections and the entire setup is going to be done. I will set up my trigger where I'm going to click on this connect button first and I will show you how you can add a new connection. For that you need to provide this token. To have the token you have to simply log into your Telegram channel. Okay, now first we have to create a bot, a Telegram bot that is going to send the images. Okay, so now to create a bot you have to search for bot father and in bot father you have to search for new bot and send this. After that it is asking for the name of the bot for which I'll write over here as AI image generator. So this is the name I want to give and for the username I will give the username towards this bot as and share this username. You can see the username has already been taken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply add a 01 in the the end and share this username. As soon as I've done that, you will see right over here, this AI bot has been created and this is the token that Pabbly Connect is asking for. So I'm going to copy this token and paste it down in the field and save this step from here. As soon as I will do that, Telegram bot is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect, but there is one last thing left. The request for the image generation is going to be asked in this group right over here that I have created in the name of AI image creation. I have to add this bot that I have created right now in this group, and then what is going to happen, the messages that you send in this group will be forwarded towards our trigger right over here, as well as the messages that we are going to forward is going to be forwarded through our setup. So we need to add the bot that you have created right now in our Telegram group. So now we have to first activate this bot. For that, go towards this link and start this bot from here. This bot has now been activated. Now you will see in front of you, I am going to add the bot as an admin in this group with my phone. So let me add the bot first, and you can see I've added this bot AI image generator as an admin in this group. Okay, so as I have done that, now go back to your workflow and click on this save and send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Telegram bot is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will post another image request in this group and check whether my trigger captures the response of the request that I forwarded or not. Okay, so let me enter another message. So this is my next request. Generate a tropical beach with crystal clear water, palm trees, sunset skies, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic 4K travel photography. So this is the another request I have. I will share this message in this group. As soon as I have done that, you will see inside your Pabbly Connect trigger, the response is instantly captured. Text is the same request that I've posted. You can see right over here. My account name is Jessie Matthew. That is why Jessie Matthew is the account name with all the other details. So as I've captured the response of this text successfully, Telegram bot is connected to Pabbly Connect. There is one thing. You will see that another response has been captured in this trigger, but this response is not the response that I wanted, the new message arriving. You will see the trigger is set webhook watch updates. If any updates happens in your Telegram with your Telegram bot, automatically the response is going to be captured in the trigger. But I only want to capture the response of a message that has been forwarded towards the bot like this. So for adding that condition, add an action step, select the action application as filter by Pabbly, event as filter values, click on this connect button, choose the label of this message that you have received and select the filter type as exist. If this message text is existing in the previous response, then only the further steps should be continued after this filter step. Okay, if the message text response is going to exist in the trigger, then only the further workflow is going to be executed from this filter step. Okay, the condition is success. You can see the status is success and the condition is true because currently we have the message text response. Okay, so after adding the filter, now let's move on forward to Gemini. Gemini is going to generate the image that we have requested. Now for that, click on this connect button. You have to add a new connection from here. For that, you have to enter the API key. The API key will be in this hyperlink. You will come to the playground page of your Gemini account. To generate the API key, you have to go towards this get API key section. Create the API key from this top button right over here. Name the key, select the project. The key will be created. Copy this key, paste it down in the field and click on the save button. And you will see the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect is going to be created. As now the connection has been created, for the model, I will select over here as Nano Banana Pro because using this, I am going to generate the image. You generate the images using Gemini Nano Banana. Okay. Next is the method that will be generate content. Next will be the prompt. Now, you enter the prompt inside your Gemini right over here. You will select create image. It will go ahead and create the image for you. Now, the text that you're entering right here to generate the image, you have to enter that same text in this prompt section. So for this prompt, I will write over here as, so this is the prompt, generate a high quality image based on the user's request below. Now I have to enter the message, the user's request. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash and search for the message. Now for this text, I want to generate the image, so I will select the data from the previous response, which makes this data dynamic because this data has been mapped now. And as now this data is dynamic, whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step of a new message text, the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. And now understand the request clearly and create an image that represents it accurately as possible. Keep the main subject, scene, intent unchanged. Add realistic details, proper lighting, depth and visually clean composition of the image so the image looks natural and appealing. Enhance the quality without altering what the users asked for. Ensure the final result is clear, well structured and visually engaging. Written only with image, no text. Okay? I do not require any other field, so I'll skip the part and simply click on the Save and Send Test Request button. Within few seconds, you will see that automatically Gemini is going to generate the requested image. You will receive the file URL that I will show you in seconds. And I've received this response and this is the file URL I've received. I'll copy it, paste it, open it on a new tab. You will see the exact same image. The request that I had is generated now. Okay. So now as I have the image successfully, let's post this image on our Telegram group again. I'm going to click on this connect button right over here and I will select the existing connection that I've created before. Now I have to provide the chat ID where I want to post the reply. So this is the chat ID you can see. I will simply copy this ID over here from the URL and paste it down. For the caption, I want the simple text should be forwarded. That is, here is the image that you have requested. So this is the caption. You can enter the caption according to your requirement. For the file ID, I'll map the data of the URL that I've received in my Gemini step. Parser mode is going to be HTML, disable notification is going to be no, and simply click on the Save and Send Test Request button. As soon as you will do that, you have received this response and on your Telegram group, you will witness that the same image that was generated through Gemini is now been forwarded successfully on my Telegram group. So as I've received the image successfully, this is how this amazing chatbot is created that is automatically going to generate the images with Gemini and post it on the request on Telegram group. So this is how this amazing Telegram bot for creating Gemini image is created using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, you can comment on below. Now if you want the free template of this exact Telegram bot, you have to comment on below. I will share you the workflow link or you can find the workflow link in the description section also. If you are planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan with Pabbly so that you can create such amazing Telegram bots for your business as well, you can see the coupon code is on the left side of the screen, that is ANGYT. Go ahead, use the code right away. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.